Namaste. In this video I will gonna make a sheet metal elongation in Solidworks. Remember, I am just only going to show an animation, not to calculate stress strain analysis. So here are the two parts. Okay, this part is base. So first of all, let's make our base fix with respect to some planes. Press Ctrl plus 8, select the right plane, press Ctrl plus 8. Now here I am going to make a new part that will act as a sheet metal. Now to do that, click on insert components, the arrow. Remember, you need to click this little arrow here, not the insert components. Now click on new part. When you click on it, you will see the new part. Okay, just go to the screen and simply click on it, and after that click on the part, right click on it, click on edit part. When you click on edit part, you will see sketch and base extrude features in assembly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a sheet metal part here. So to do that, click on sketch. Now it is asking for me the plane in which I am going to do a sketch. Now go below here, select this face, select align, click here, press F, and make this joint. After that, make sure these are concentric. Now go to features, select extrude base boss, select direction 40 mm, select in opposite direction, go to thin feature, select thickness 2 mm. You can select thickness as per your requirement. So it's up to you what kind of thickness you want to choose. Click OK. Now exit the component. As you can see, now let's make some color to it. Now when I move the slider, as you can see, this part doesn't move, but when you click on rebuild, as you can see, it moves. So now to do the animation, first go to the initial point, click on rebuild. Now go to motion studies, make sure you click on animation. As you can see, it's on animation. Now Move this slider up to the time as per your requirement, for example 5 seconds. After that, move the slider backward. As you can see, it's at a new time frame. Now click on rebuild. As you can see, it's moved. Now move down it here, go to motion study properties, increase the frame rate to 58. Now click on calculate. After that, just click on play button. As you can see our animation, I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts and queries, make sure you ask comments and don't forget to watch our other videos. Here you can see on our main screens other videos links. Thanks for watching and have a great day.